This is one of those days when I show up unannounced to my mom and I follow her through her day's work. So today she's heading to the garden to check on things. As you can see, it's the rainy season and there are more weeds than you can weed in a single day. Or than she can weed in a single day. If you're a young man, good energy, you can weed this garden in a single day. But for her, she cannot weed this garden in a single day. So she does what she can, sometimes hire some people to help her. But getting hired labor in the villages, sometimes it can be really hard because most of the people have their own gardens that they're tending to. So for them to come and do the weeding for you, even with a pay, it may not be so easy. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. She decided to check on some of the sweet potatoes. She's got a lot of sweet potatoes. She had just finished to do weeding and here we are, more weeds. The sweet potato clusters are all covered in lots of weeds. But that's what happens when it's a rainy season. It's very common, so you have to really be weeding your garden every more often. When she checked on this sweet potato, this is how she does it. She just checks with her hand. You tell her, hey, why don't you use something? She's like, no, it's better this way. So when she checks on the sweet potato, she tells that this is not yet ready. So she decides, no, this one needs to stay in the soil for some more time. And she takes the sample on one cluster so that can inform her of the state of the rest of the clusters. So if this one is not ready, she just concludes this portion is not ready. When she grows these different crops, she uses some to feed the family at home, but also she sells some to the neighbors at home. Those who come, they want to buy food. Those with small restaurants around the area, they go and buy and take and sell. Now this is a big chunk of land that is supposed to be weeded to be ready for the next season of tomatoes. So she was showing me and letting me know the work ahead that she's got to do just to get ready for the next season of tomatoes. On this same land, she's got portions of cabbages. I'm going to be showing you the cabbages in the next video. We're going to be having some sample close-ups on the cabbages too, but you can see some of the pictures from the garden from afar of the cabbages. They look more weed-free because they're in the process of getting weed. We got some we got some beans and the sweet potato. So today we just followed my mom to the garden just to check out the work ahead of her in preparation for the next season.